Kaya po, my question again, are you burning? Do you have that fire in your heart? Because only if you are burning, you can be shining. And that's the second part. I want to think, are you shining? Sa bahay mo, are you light? Sa loob ng tahanan mo, sa mga kasama mo sa bahay, sa mga yung iba kasama mo ngayon magsisimba, liwanag ka ba o run out? Kasi minsan we can be run out. We can be... Alam mo na minsan pabigat ka sa pamilya mo, no? Gets nyo ba? Yun. Minsan dahil sa topag mo, ikaw palang pabigat sa pamilya. Dahil sa ugali, napakanega, medyo toxic. You can be run out to people around you. But you can also be light to people around you. When I think person that is a light in my life, I remember my father. Kaya magandang tanungin, yung mga anak nyo, kayo ay maalala. Pag yung tanong is, who brings light to your life? So are you shining? Are you sharing with other people? Are you feeling emptiness with light? Mga kapatid, the word for today is kasera. I hope you will remember. And the challenge is to be like John the Baptist, be burning but also shining. Let us ask the Lord for that grace today. May times na nawawala po yung apoy, may times na hindi tayo liwanag sa ating kapaligiran. Humingi tayo sa Panginoon na naway itong simbang gabi ay makakatulong ibalik yung apoy sa Diyos sa ating mga puso so that with people around me, they can feel that I am burning and shining light for them, like the people in the time of Jesus felt about John the Baptist.